What's up, y'all? I know I don't have much lighting. I left my ring light out in the car, and I really wanted this to be really quick because I have something that I need to attend to. But before I did that, I just wanted to, don't mind whatever this is on my shirt. I don't know what that is. I just got through making some stuff, cooking up some stuff, you know what I'm saying? So that's probably what it is on my shirt. But before I attended to whatever I had to do, you know what I'm saying, I wanted to go ahead and stop by and make this tutorial. These are spring twists using spring hair. Hold on, let me see if I still have the hair that I used. I believe it came with a tag in it. So I'm gonna try my best to try to figure out what this hair looks like. But this is the hair that I used. I used it in two. I used 5 packs, of course including this one, because I didn't really finish this one up, but it didn't take much hair at all. I used 2, the color 2, which is brown. I used one pack of jet black, because I didn't want it to be too black, but I couldn't find one B, so I just went ahead and got 2. But yeah, let me give y'all a spin around so y'all can see how it looks. I really like this hair because first of all, I feel like it hides my hair better. Because I have a little red in my hair, and I'm really trying to make sure that I do styles that hide it. And originally when I bought this hair, I was gonna do a bob, faux locks, but I just couldn't get over how much time it was going to take to do it, and I really didn't have the patience to do my hair that long. So I just went ahead and did some spring twists, and I'm not mad at them at all. Like, I really like them. They're shorter and they're lightweight. It's so much better for the summertime. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all how I did it. Let me tell y'all a quick little tip. So what I did was, because y'all know I had my hair, my phone is like really going off, I'm sorry. So y'all know I had my hair in those Marley twists with the curly ends in my last tutorial. What I did was I took those same parts after I took my hair down, and I twisted them all up, and I washed my hair like that. I can do that because I barely have any hair anyway. so it was really easy, you know what I'm saying. I just went ahead and twisted it back up, and of course when I washed it, some of them unraveled, but it was nothing for me to twist them back up after I washed it. But I really didn't want to lose that parting, because if you do your own hair, you know that parting your own hair is the worst part about doing a protective style. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know, but like I really struggle with parting my hair because I focus so much on trying to get it straight and trying to get it to look right and trying to make sure my parts are equal and all that good stuff. So I feel like that eliminated a lot of stress on me, because I really do not like parting my hair. So yeah, what I did was I took the parting from one hairstyle, transferred it onto another. Basically, that's all I did. With that being said, I went through those parts and I moisturized my hair with my shea butter mixture. It's very moisturizing. Like, I'm feeling my hair right now. And I did, of course I only did my hair like a few days ago. When did I do it? When did I do my hair? I did my hair, what today is? I did my hair Friday. I did my hair Friday because I did my mom's hair Saturday. Yeah, I did my hair Friday. Today is Tuesday. My hair is still moisturized because of that shea butter that I put on it. And so yeah, so I went through, I moisturized my hair, and then I rubber banded it all up. I wish I could show y'all, but I was just so focused on trying to get it finished. I just really wanted to get it done, because I just have those times where I just don't feel like spending time doing my hair, you know what I'm saying. So that's really the main reason why I just went ahead and did these instead of faux locks, because it was just one of those days, honey. I just did not have the patience to do it. So I did that. I rubber banded up. So I made sure that all my parts were rubber band first before I added any hair, and then I went in and I took this crochet hook, I pulled the spring hair through, and then, okay, so I was about to say that I know Eco Styler Gel is canceled, but I'm not really sure that it's canceled because I still see people using it. But it was canceled for me. But then I saw this in the beauty supply store, and I was like, what is here? And basically it's like a styling gel. I've really used most of it up doing my hair. I used it to lay my hair down. So what I would do is I would take a little bit of that, and then I put it on my hair to smooth it down when I twist it. Pull that part and make sure it's tight. I split them up like that, and then I'm rotating as I twist. Y'all, this is no different from me doing my Marley twist, but the thing with this hair is it's tricky because you really have to make sure that you're twisting the right way, or it won't really look like a spring twist. It'll just look like a clumped up curl. I use one strand, by the way, if my memory serves me correctly. Because I already twisted it up, it's almost like it took the form of our real natural hair, and it's kind of looking like a twist out now. So that's probably the reason why it didn't twist up like I wanted it to. Let's look at it. And you know what, that would be so pretty if I just let it down. If I wasn't afraid that my real hair would look crazy with me taking my hair down and wearing it like that, I'd wear it like that. So I took one strand and then I kind of fluffed it out. Like you totally see the difference now. I think it's because I stretched it all out. So that may be another thing with this hair, like once you take it down, it's kind of like OV. It won't spring up like you want it to. So this is what the hair should look like. If it looks like this, it's a twist out. It's not, it's way different now, you see. And another thing, please make sure that your hair, well, not your hair, but make sure that your Your bands are old. Oh my god, now my mother's calling me. Hold on, y'all.
Girl, I've been riding around in circles trying to find this food truck. I don't see it nowhere. I've been right over here on the other side. But I'm
Yeah,
like,
just said the
dang,
post was deleted.
it was deleted.
Yeah, so maybe something changed then.
Maybe the address ain't right then, probably. Let me go back to the bank. Good, got me out here looking for food. I left work. I'm not gonna leave you, girl. I'll be back if we go get us something to eat.
Cause they deleted the post. They deleted the post that they had that I sent you. So I don't know what's going on.
Okay. Well, they ruined my lunch plan.
Okay, so what was I saying? Make sure that your rubber bands are oiled before you put them on your hair, because when you get ready to take them off, you don't want them breaking your hair off. That's what I was gonna say. So I put the rubber band on my hair, tight but not too tight, but you know, tight enough for it not to slip off. So now I take my spring hair like this, like so, like that. I found that when you put it on the hook unevenly, okay, is you gonna focus or no? Like, do you want to work today or no? I find that when you put it on the hook, kind of, ooh, ignore my, baby, I got too much mango butter and shea butter over here for me to be looking at you like that. Hold on, cause something gotta change. Something gotta change, baby, cause that wasn't finna get. I got access to too much stuff to be looking at Ashy. I just washed my hands. I apologize, y'all. Okay. Okay, that's so much better. Okay, so like I was saying, I basically take a little, when I do it like this, it's easier to pull the hair through. So I put the crochet, well, if your rubber band is a little too tight because you don't want to, you know, break your hair off or whatever, just kind of pull it up a little so you can get that hook in there. And then I'll put it on the hook, pull it through. And I make sure it's even first. And then that's when I take my Eco, whatever this is, child, edge control styling gel, whatever it is, honey, and I put it on my real hair. I kind of push the rubber band down, pull the rubber band down, however you want to say it, and I take that and I split it, and then that's when I start twisting, and I'm rotating as I twist, because it should look something like that, as I was previously stating, but I did it on hair that was already twisted, so that's probably why it didn't turn out how I wanted to. Just make sure you're rotating your hair as you're twisting down. So then I get down here to my ends, and I'm twisting until I can't twist no more. So then I do that and I twirl it on my finger like you would do if you were doing a regular twist out. And any straggling ends I have, I just cut them off. And that's the twist. It's a little rugged, but if you're anything like me, you don't really care as long as it's twisted up. And I just make sure that my hair is in there good, so it won't be trying to fly out at any given moment. And that's how I did my hair, y'all. That's how I did these spring twists. It took me about 6 hours to finish. And I think that's about it. Like I said, it's very lightweight, it's short. So it's really good for heat, being in the heat, because I live in Alabama and it's about to be July, so it's really hot down here. So I need something that ain't gonna give me too much trouble, that ain't gonna have me hot, because black folks don't like being hot. You can't stand it. But yeah, anyway, this is how I did my twist. I said it was gonna be really brief because I already did them, but I hope that you found this video helpful. Like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you gotta do, whatever you ain't did yet, go ahead and do it. And I'll see y'all in the next one.